Your Logitech MX Master for mouse has a smart action ring button that can unlock some quick shortcuts once you know how to customize and use it. So let's see how it works. Alright, so this is the action button on your mouse, and if you click on it, a bunch of preset shortcuts will appear on your screen, like play pause, notes, AI assistants, and it got some subsettings for different AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. You also got the screenshot option, Finder if you're using Mac, and so on. So if you want to set your own preferred customized buttons over these preset ones, you will need the Logi Options Plus app, which is one of the defaultly set options in this ring. Just make sure you've installed the app and the mouse is connected to it. Inside the app, just hit this Show Action Ring button. Before we go, I'm going to show you that if you don't want to use it as an action ring, you can also assign different sets of functions over the buttons from this list of categories. For this video, we'll just stick to the Smart Action Ring. So to set custom functions, just hit Configure Action Ring button, and there you go. First, remove any preset tasks. Just click on these three dots, and from here, apart from all these other options, you can delete the action. Then you can either click on this plus sign, or you can just create a folder if you want, or from this list at the right-hand side, just explore these subsections, and then just drag and drop the exact action you want to set in here. Like if I'm adding web page and then adding a specific web page name and address in here, I can quickly access it anytime I want. Now, whatever task you have set, just press save after that. You can set any tasks from this list in here by the same process. And apart from adding actions, you can also hit edit icon, and from here you can change the layout, icon color, etc. If you work on multiple apps and projects at once and you want to set different functions on different profiles, you can click on this plus sign. And as you can see, the default profile is active right now. But you can click on Add Profile and then hit Start with a blank profile. A blank brand new action ring without any assigned task will appear in here. And you can just keep adding your own preferred sets of action in this ring. You can then create multiple action ring profile like this way, and then whenever you want, you can switch between different profiles with different sets of actions. And that's pretty much the basics to use your action ring on a Logitech MX4 mouse. Thanks for watching.